So I have a container, and I'm going to drop some pennies in here, Josephine. But I do not want you to count out loud how many I'm dropping, okay? I want you to count in your head how many I'm dropping. Whiteboard should be down on the ground, no one's touching. Thank you. All right, you ready? Everybody looking so you can count. Here we go.
Now, scoop back on the outside of the rug. Now, I'm going to drop some pennies in there.
Okay. Hold it up. Hold it in your hand. Hold it in your hand. All right. Show me with your hands how many pennies did I drop in there? Just hold it. Hold it with your hands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me.
If we started with 4, we ended with
5. So there's only 5 pennies in this bucket. Okay? You counted 5. So let's see. I'm going to drop some more. Look how many more I dropped. You ready? No one should be touching their whiteboard. Listen.
What do I need to write and start? 7.
How many more pennies did I drop?
Here we go. He already has 7.
So I dropped 5 at the beginning, and I dropped 3 the second time. How many pennies do I have in all? How many is that? 8. Awesome. Do you know there are ways to draw that, to write that? Remember for our on Wednesday, Zaid, when we have number stories, we ask you to put a number equation at the bottom or a number story at the bottom. It's something similar to that. I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a change to more diagram. Can everybody say change to more? Diagram. Okay? When we start, so how many pennies did I start with at the beginning? How many did I drop in first? 5. So I would write 5 in my first box because that's where I started, right? Then how many did I add into the container? 3. That's what changed, right? I had 5. I added 3. If I'm adding something, I'm changing it. Okay? Even if I'm subtracting, I'm changing something. Okay? And so how many did I end with? 8. And that is my last box. Okay? What else? How can I say 5, 3, and 8? What equation can I write? Olivia? And what symbol would I use? I would have to have an equal symbol. What other symbol would I use, Zaid? No, we're in math. Bella, what symbol would I use?
Plus sign.
The plus sign. Because remember, I'm adding numbers. What if I had 10 pennies and I took away 3? What sign would I use, Joanna? If I had 10 pennies and I took away 3, what sign would I have? Not how many numbers, what sign would I use? An addition or a minus sign? Minus sign, good job. So now, I'm going to give you a marker. You're going to draw a diagram just like mine on your board, okay? After you draw a diagram on your board, I want you to freeze. Because then we're going to play a game. I'm going to add pennies. You're going to add it to your board, okay? All right? Everybody understand? Any questions? Any questions? All right, let's get started. All right, everybody pay attention. How many? Please do not yell out. Don't tell out loud. Write the number and in the correct box. Hey guys, also use your number line on your board. See if you wrote it the correct way. Use your number on your board to see if you wrote it the correct way. All right. All right. Here we go.
7.
All right. I am going to add some, Josephine.
11. 12.
And I want to see where you would put this number. Here we go.
30 seconds of
Everybody paying attention?
30 seconds of free draw.
That counts. How many was that? Don't tell. Write it. Write it. Where does it go? Where does it go? All right. So tell me the end. How many do I have in? Oh, yeah. Put it in the box. 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 All right. I'm gonna write it myself, and I want to see if yours matches mine. Let's see. All right. So I started with 3, and my change was, or I added 3 more, so my end cup should equal 6.
Yes,
Does everybody have that?
Yes. I don't have the plus sign.
That's fine. You don't have to have the plus sign. All right. Now I'm going to try to trick you. Listen. Listen. Now you have the end. Can anybody tell me what is a contraction? When do you hear contraction?
I've heard it, but I don't know what it is.
Okay, you heard it, but you don't know what it is. What about you, Maya?
I think it means an ending of a word.
An ending of a word? Not quite, but okay. That's a good try. What do you think a contraction is, Josephine? What do you think a contraction is?
Like an
Not a contraction, but a contraction. Words that we put together. Huh? No, that's a contraction or a contraction. A contraction is like a machine. A contraction are words. All right. So a contraction are words that you use an apostrophe to put 2 words together. Like when I say don't. Perfect, Maya. Don't. What's another contraction that we say? Word. Not a contraction.
Nose. We are. Nose.
Okay, so how would we are 2 words? How can we put that together to make one word a contraction?
Has more letters in it, maybe?
Weren't. Like if we say we can say we were not, and we can say weren't. What about another contraction would be what about had not? Hadn't. Good job. What about would not? What about they are there. So these contraction words, these words that we use all the time, but we need to learn how to spell them, right? They have a different spelling.
I know how to say there. I can spell it.
Yeah, okay, spell there for me.
THERE.
No. There is actually 2 words that says they are. Let me show you. Can I borrow this pencil? So we say they are, right?
There.
We say they are. Sorry, Josephine. But we want to contract there. In order to use a contraction, we take letters away and add an apostrophe. So they are turned into there. What letter did we take away, Josephine?
I know.
We took away the A and we added what? An apostrophe. Can everybody say apostrophe? Apostrophe. So these are just 2 groups of words that we manipulate, basically, that we can change up, right, to make one word. I'm going to show you this video, a contraction video.
I thought you meant like because. Like 2 words put together.
Right. Well, right. Those are compound words. A contraction word is meaning I'm putting 2 words together, but I'm also taking letters away and putting an apostrophe. Okay? All right. So let's see this.
I'm gonna put base over on this side. Now I'm gonna show you guys.
I got it.
All right. Listen. You see Josephine? It is a big word. Okay, listen. So let's review the video. So contractions, they do what? What's the definition for the contractions? They
Words together.
so they combine two words and do what else?
To make a new word.
They make a new word, but they omit or take away letters, right? What do they replace the letters with?
Apostrophe.
An apostrophe. Can everybody say apostrophe?
Apostrophe.
Josephine, can you say apostrophe?
Apostrophe.
Good job. So today, we're going to make contractions, okay? So this is, you're going to cut and paste the word pair for each contraction. So here, you have the contractions. Down here are the two words that make up the contractions. Your job is to read the contractions and think, what two words make up the word shouldn't? Don't tell me out loud. You're gonna, okay, so let's say should not. Maya says should not. So I will look down here and say, is there a should not? Right there. So I will cut it out and glue it to that square. Okay? Yes. Does everybody understand what we're doing?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right.
I'm already on my 5th one.
Mila, Maya, what two words were those? What two words did you just put on glue down?
She is.
She is. And then what contraction did it make?
She.
She is. Can you use she's in a sentence?
She's playing on the playground with me.
Good job. And so, you can also translate it as she is playing on the playground with me, right? Good job, guys.